What a weird day today. Tell you what, it's too windy. Let me talk to you in the car. So when I say it's a weird day today, when I left the house this morning, it was hailing. I've literally driven 5 minutes down the road. I'm now at the beach and it's sunny. So the initial idea today was to go surfing. I've just checked it out. There are some waves there. I have brought a small board with me. It's a fish, 6 foot. It's probably not going to do the job, but let's get out there and see. So windy, and I actually think the waves are starting to drop off now. I think it's hailing now. I actually think it's hailing now. It'd be me, eh? All the waves out there. We're out here. I mean, that is one of the good things about learning to surf, surfing and everything, is that you do actually, like, I wouldn't say you make friends, but you get talking to people. If you do it regularly anyway, you always go to the same spots, you tend to get talking to people, and then before you know it, you sort of build up a network. Windy now. Jesus. So I am more wore out getting back to the car, fighting that wind, than I was when I was out in the sea. A lot of you probably don't know this, but I actually used to own a van, and getting changed and out your wetsuit and things was so much easier. I literally just had to run all the way back down to the beach because I took my hood off and it just went. But anyway, that's about it. Sorry though. There wasn't really any surfing involved, but still, a bad day at sea is still better than a good day at the office. I'll see you in the next one. A bad day at sea, still I'm more tired fighting back to the car. I don't know whether a lot of you know this, but actually, oh, come on, it's on manual focus.